This is the startup screen. This is his email that he gets. I don't know if the Sky Private is. This geometry homework, which will take him to here to Khan Academy. There's Babbel. There's Udemy. And it shows the course here. Under Udemy, or under Khan Academy, he's also got personal finance, where he's already completed a lot of these courses. With the calendar, go under here, under the calendar. When you click on that, let's say for each sections 4, 5, and 6. What you do here for driver's ed is then you just go down here. There's the Kansas driver's manual right there. For instance, same thing with the other classes. You go here. I'll put a link in here for the training he's got to go to. And I'll go to Try Acme. I don't know, I was trying to verify his email. Anyways, that's his browser session on the Chromebook, and that's how everything's brought up. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks.